What if I told you there's an AI tool you can actually use to create your AI videos, generate your images, all from scratch to finish without paying a single dime? At the end of this video, you'll be able to generate your AI images and make them talk totally free of charge. If these are the kind of videos you love to watch, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Without much being said, I'm going to head over to my screen right now and I'll walk you through how you can actually use this amazing website totally free of charge to generate your images and make them talk. Okay, so just go to your Google and search for Thank You AI. Thank You AI. Guys, please ignore the background noises. This is my fan. Oh. Okay, so this is Thank You AI. Just click on it. So guys, once you come to Thank You AI, this is what the interface looks like. Okay, so if you look above here, tap on this place here. You can select the language you want. So for me, I'm using English. I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay. So just scroll around and you can see create anything your way, any input, multimodal output, text, image, video. Yes, you can create text here. You can get your text prompt. You can create your image and you can create your video. You can even create your audio. So click on create. Now, once you click on create, you are going to sign in. You're expected to sign in. Just select an email of your choice. I'm just going to pick an email. Okay. Now, if you click on this three horizontal lines above here, you're going to be welcome to this interface. Your image, your video, image to video, start, end to video, video to video. Okay. So let us do image to video so we can actually see what it looks like. Okay. So let's assume you have an image already. All you need to do is to upload an image. Okay. And if you do not have an image, all you need to do is to go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to, like, you already have an idea of what you want to do, right? Just tell ChatGPT to create an image for you. Give ChatGPT an idea of what you want to do, and ChatGPT is going to do it for you. You can literally get 5 free images from ChatGPT every day. 5 free images every day. Okay. So once you get your image, all you need to do is to click on this plus icon here. Okay. And it's going to lead you to your gallery. To lead you to your gallery, all you need to do is to click on upload from device. Upload from device. Click on photos and videos. Okay. Go to your gallery and then select an image you want to use. Let me look for an image I can use. Let me look for an image. So let's assume I want to use this image here. Okay, just upload the image. Okay, and it's going to be added to your gallery right here. And then click on it to select it. And then it will come over here to your prompt box. Look above here, you're going to see the models available. Okay, so these are all the models. These are all the models available. Okay. These are all the models available. So just click on Thank You Video 2. Once you click on Thank You Video 2, click on this place right here. Describe what you want your video to say. So this is where you're going to paste your prompt. So I'm just going to say, make her move around and say, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie. Do well to watch this video to the end. Guys, I'm actually seeing free 0 credit on this my email. I've actually used this email before. Remember, it is not an unlimited tool. but it will give you enough credit you can actually use. And once you are done, once the credit is done, you can actually switch to another email. So I didn't actually look at this place to see that I'm having 0 credits here. So in case I'm not able to generate it, we'll have to switch to another email. Okay. So this is literally how we tend to use a lot of free AI tools. Okay. So I'm just going to look at this place here, click on it, and then leave it. I'm leaving it as okay. The image is actually 9:16, so I'll leave it at 9:16, and then 480p. Okay, it at 5. Okay, and then we'll now hit on generate video. In case it doesn't generate, we'll switch to another email. Let me select what I've typed here so that I don't have to repeat it again when I switch to another email in case it doesn't generate. Click on generate video. Okay, guys, you can see it says insufficient credit. So we'll have to just go to another email. For you to go to another email, tap on your profile picture here. Okay, come down here. You're going to see logouts. The website is actually very good. Okay, you can actually subscribe for as low as $4, right? So I'm just going to continue with Google again so I can go with another email so I don't have to pay for anything. So I'm just going to select another email here. I just hope I've not used this email. Click on continue. Click on cancel. So guys, you can see this is a new email and I'm having 100 points here, 100 free credits right here. So this is literally how you can start creating. Okay, so I'm going to start again. I'll select my model. I'll just select my model, which is this. Thank you. Select my model, upload my image reference. So you can actually upload a lot of image reference, guys. So I'm just going to click on the plus sign here. Click on image, upload from device, photos and videos. And then I'll go back to select my image again. Select my image again. Okay. Once the image is here, I'll just tap on this place here so it will come to the prompt section and then I'll input my prompts again. I'll paste my prompts. Make her move around and say in Nigerian English. Okay. So ensure you always put the language you want the person to speak. And then I'll still come down here and leave it as 16:9. Select for 80p. Okay. And then I will hit on generate. You can see it says task submitted. Okay. So we're just going to wait for it to generate our video for us. Okay. So this is literally how you can do video, image to video, right? Image to video. Now, if you want a full tutorial on how you can generate your image, how you can create an AI movie, you can drop at the comment section and I'm going to do that video. I will teach you from scratch how you can generate your image, how you can make them to talk, how you can get your script and all of that, movie dialogue, long movie for that matter with totally free AI tools. I'm going to do the video. Just drop at the comment section and I will do that. So for this reference audio, let's assume you even want to import an audio. Just click on this reference audio here. It's going to take you to your audio library or you click on upload from device, photos and videos. Just go to your audio. And then let's assume this is an audio you want to use. Just click on it. And then it's going to be talking. Let's assume what you want to say or you want to use your voice to say this make her move around and say, especially in this era of people being given inauthentic content because they're using AI voices, you can literally use your own voice to talk, to make your own images talk, okay, in your own voice. And I'm going to upload a tutorial after this video. I'm going to be uploading a tutorial on how you can create your own voice, clone your own voice, okay, that you're going to be using in all your videos so that you don't have any issues with inauthentic content, right? Just anticipate that video. And that is why at this point, if you've not subscribed to this channel, you can subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload that video, you're going to get notified, okay? So we don't need this for now. So let's go back to the 3 horizontal lines above here. Let's assume you want to create an image. Just tap on image generator. Tap on image generator. Okay, once you tap on image generator, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, now describe what you want to generate. In a classroom. Okay, let's assume I want to create an image of 3 schoolgirls in a classroom. You just type your prompt here. Tap on this place to select your aspect ratio 9:16. Okay, just leave your resolution at 1K. And then come down here. This generation count means how many images do you want it to generate? How many of the girls' images do you want it to generate? I just need 1. Okay. And then if you tap here, you're going to see all the models available. Okay. These are all the models that are available. Now, if you look at all these models here, you can see you're going to see 33, 10, 8, 10, 10, 10, 6, 10. Okay. Those are actually showing you the number of credits you can use to generate your image in all these models. Okay. And the smallest one and the model that have the smallest credits is this Nano Banana. Guys, Nano Banana is literally like the best. So I'm just going to select Nano Banana. And that means I'm going to be generating this image with just 6 credits. Okay. And I still have enough credit for myself. And then tap here for it to start generating. So you can see it is generating already. Our image is ready, guys. All you need to do is to just tap on this download here. Tap on the download there to download the image. So guys, if you click on these 3 horizontal lines above there and come to history, guys, our video is ready. I'm just going to play.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie. Do well to watch this video to the end. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie. Do well to watch this video to the end. Hey guys, welcome to my
So you can see it has a perfect lip sync. Okay, so all you need to do is to just tap on this place to download. That is just as I've been able to generate an image and I've also been able to make the image talk. If you enjoyed this video, do also like, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.